Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Edgewood Family Farm. My name is Patry. I'm one of the founders, and you are going to be joining me today in our little winter wonderland behind me while we go do some chores. So we're a fifth generation small family farm located in southern Indiana. About a year and a half ago, we moved to an entirely new location. So we have a lot going on this year, and we want to make you part of the journey. So I did not expect for you to be joining me during the winter apocalypse of southern Indiana 2025. Good way to ring in the new year, but it doesn't matter. Let's go feed some chickens. This wouldn't be bad if not for this ice. Unfortunately, because of the ice we had last night, both of our paths for our 4x4s are not accessible right now. We had a lot of problems coming up yesterday around 4 p.m. and that was before the ice even started. You can see here on this tree, if you can see that, we've got ice and a whole lot of snow that is pretty much just cased. This isn't the fun stuff. But the animals have to be fed, and so we carry on. We start planning a less steep trail. The big thing is, these are like, I don't know, once every 10-year kind of snowstorms. We don't get this a whole lot. The last time we had ice like this, or similar to this, was back in 2009. Now that ice was a lot worse. Shut down the city for like, I don't know, a week. No power. All that good stuff. Thankfully, we still have power today. Knock on wood. some little something. Probably a deer has been through here, if you can see the tracks. A few little somethings. Man, I'm out of shape for this. Oh, I'm guessing with all this ice and snow that this electric line, yeah, it's not live. That's no surprise there. All right. That's got way too much grounding on it. Oh well. Not too many predators out in this. I find it unlikely that the chickens are going to want to come out today. They didn't yesterday. We shall see. Whew. Hey kids. Oh, I'm going to take a breather. Should have brought some water for me. Forget these chickens. Hey ladies, how are you all doing? Oh, nice. It is above freezing in here. Oh, it's nasty in here too. Oh, but we didn't have much of a choice yesterday to get them food and water. Meant inside where it's gross. Hi ladies. Oh, that's nasty. Whew. This is a fun part of animals. They are gross. All right, let's see if I can get this open. Oh, nope, probably not. All right. They want to come out, they can come out the back. Ew. When it's nasty outside, they get special feed. They get a combination cooked and warm of a few different things. This one has whole oats, rolled oats, quinoa, some berries, some chia seed, high in protein, warm, but we don't want it to be too warm for them, obviously. So we're gonna give it a minute. Whew, come over here and do this really gross water. Oh, sorry guys. It's not too bad in there, but and then we've got their water. Don't be shocked. It's supposed to be this color. Added some vitamins to their water. Extra nutrition during bad weather does not hurt. All right. Yes, ladies. Yeah. It's a good thing about snow. It's great to clean with. Especially all the gross stuff the chickens do. Which is mostly poop. That's the gross stuff that you all do, huh, ladies? Alright. Alright, move. Hi, girls. Alright. Hang on, I'm coming. Alright, here's pan one. Yep. Yeah, it's still a little warm in the middle. Hang on. Oh, nope. Not the poop pile. They could always use the extra water. All right. Here you go, ladies. Here. Here's one pan. Oh. Hang on. Let me get number two. Hang on. Oh, goodness. Snow's still a little icy. Goodness. Hang on. I'm coming. Oh, Pashmina, you molted your entire tail. It's really funny because when they molt, which you can see some of them are molting right now, their entire tail will just be gone. That's what the gray one back kind of over that way, she has no tail. She has molted it. All right, let's see here. Oh, no, man. This stuff's staying hot. Ooh-wee. I want it to be warm, but I don't want it to burn them. So we will wait. Like I said, they could always use the extra water. Oh. Let's make some killer snowballs. Whew. I wondered why I had ice in my pocket. It's the lock. Ladies, oh man, you've all almost emptied that. Hey, George. Hey, big boy. That's George. I'm going to try to get the second pan from him, that one back there, so that I can give him some eggs. The added calcium and the added protein will be helpful for them. Alright guys, come here. I'm sorry. I'm going to sneak back here. Hello. Let me grab this real quick. I know. Oh, you already pooped in it. Okay, thank you. And I've got some eggs. I don't ever want them to crack their own eggs, but I will crack them for them with no issues. We have an overabundance of eggs right now, and they need the added nutrition. So, all right, hang on, calm down. And they will eat them shell and all. All right. All right, ladies. There you go. I wasn't kidding. They really like eggs. Oh, unfortunately, because of the weather, this is probably going to be another day inside for them, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's not my favorite from a hygiene perspective, them being in this small of a space. But it's easier to clean this space than it is to deal with 34 sets of frostbitten toes. So, speaking of, oh no. Alright. Sometimes their feet will get red. A lot of times it's just hormones. Alright, ladies. And George. Stay warm. See you guys later. With chickens, as with any livestock, a lot of times it's not what is best or what is ideal, but what works. Especially in the winter. It is beautiful out here. Let's go home.